Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix isn't turning on, it's likely due to faulty switches. This can happen over time due to wear and tear or electrical issues. If left unfixed, it can lead to further damage and inconvenience, preventing you from enjoying your cooking experience. To begin this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a multimeter, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure to have these tools ready before you start. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn the device upside down and locate the screws on the base. Using your screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover off the Thermomix. Inside, locate the switches. They are usually positioned near the control panel. To identify the faulty switch, use the multimeter to test each one for continuity. The faulty switch will not show continuity when pressed. Once you have found the defective component, use your tweezers to gently disconnect the wires attached to it. Pay attention to the color coding of the wires, as this will help you reconnect them correctly later. After disconnecting the wires, carefully remove the faulty switch from its housing. It's essential to avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to neighboring components. Now, take your new switch and insert it into the housing where the old one was located. Reconnect the wires according to the color codes you noted earlier. Once everything is securely attached, replace the base cover of the Thermomix and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure each screw is tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the threads. Now, plug your Thermomix back in and test the switches to ensure they are functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean your Thermomix and avoid exposing it to moisture. Additionally, be gentle with the switches when using the device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.